When an institution is onboarded using the Institutional Partners onboarding form, the head of the organization is the one who fills out the form. The request is sent to the MOADI admin, who verifies the organization and the user. The MOADI admin then approves the request and creates a login ID for the user. Once done, the role of State Super Admin is automatically assigned, and the login credentials are sent to the user's registered email address. The user enters their Aadhaar, mobile number, email, and PAN, verifies themselves, and thereby confirms that they are the rightful owner of the organization. The user then enters organization details. Select registering as, choose State Nodal Agency from the drop-down. Select State, choose Sikkim. Select State Admin Type, choose RSETI from the drop-down. Enter at least one of the following, PAN GSTIN TAN number. Enter the following details, name of organization, date of incorporation, type of business, office phone, office fax, office state name, organization address, office email, website, click Submit. Login into MOADI admin with credentials. Organization management, select Approve Reject Organization. Select level of user, State Nodal Agency. It must match what was selected during registration. Approve the organization from the list. On the left navigation panel, go to User Management, select Individual Admin User from the drop-down. Select level of user and organization name. Click Submit. Review the list and approve the user. User Management, select Create Institutional Admin User from the drop-down. Select level of user. Select state. Click Submit. Review the list and click on Click Here. A pop-up window will appear. Create a login ID. Enter the designation of the user. Click on Create Login ID. Once done, the role of State Super Admin is automatically assigned. The login credentials are sent to the user's registered email address. The user becomes the super admin of their respective organization